Today we'll discuss two small topics, and we'll start the flows topic today. Okay. So the first one is public groups. Okay. So public groups is nothing but a group of users. Okay. We'll create a group and we'll assign group of users to the public group. So what it is useful means, whenever we want to assign a task to a group of members, like sales uh, or marketing people, so we'll use these groups to assign a single task to a group of members, or when we want to share a record to a group of people. Okay. Let's create a sales group. Okay. Right. So here we will assign the add the group members. Mm, the users. So I am assigning sample user and sales user and integration users to this group. Okay. This is how we will create a public group and will assign the members to a group. Okay. అర్థమైందా?
Yeah, bro.
And so how will share a record to a group? Okay, let's go. Employee. So when you click on the record, okay. First, let me assign the permissions for me. So there are no permissions for this employee record. Okay. So here you can share. So here there are options. If you want to share a record to the user, so we can select a user. If you want to share a record to the public group, here we will select the public group. Okay. So here sales group, which I created just now. Okay. Like this, we will share a record to the public group. Okay. And next one, field history. Okay. We can enable a field tracking history for a field on the object. Okay. Field. So what it does is, so whenever you modify a field on the record, so it tracks the who modified and which value to which value it has been updated. So we can try with one. Let me go to search onboarding. Onboarding task. Okay, I will select one field in the onboarding task one. Okay, I will select employee field on the onboarding task. Okay, save changes. You see here, this is onboarding task, right? So I will add the history object task for this layout, so we can see what field is modified and which value to which value has been modified. Yes, okay. Related is single. So here we'll select onboarding history. Onboarding task history. Okay. And save. Okay, I'm going back. So, let me update one field. Okay, what we have employee field, right? Employee. Employee field here. We'll modify this one also. Make it the employee field here. Okay. So that is an employee field. We don't have any layout. We'll take another field. Onboarding task name. I'm taking onboarding task name. Let me refresh here. So I'm updating that onboarding task name. Update. See here. Related, so it's not same. So, onboarding history. Onboarding. Onboarding. Onboarding task and onboarding history. Sound empty for. Let me refresh here. It is not reflecting here. Let me show you the back. So for every object, we have a history field, history object for every object, whether it would be account every object in the Salesforce, we will have a history object. So using that object, we will track the field updates on the records. Okay, let's see. I'm moving history. So see. So hit is extension is underscore underscore history. Okay, it has the extension of underscore underscore history. See. So here I have created a. I will change the name to old value is ABCD and new value is Shiva, which recently I updated, right, for this record. Let me show you again for this one. So again I will update Shiva to Prasad. Okay, so it will be reflected in the history records. See, and I will show you here. Let me execute once again. Same. See here. So I have changed the value to Shiva to Prasad. Okay. Understand? Do you understand this? అర్థమైందా నర్స మీనా
బ్రో ఒక్కసారి ఆ హిస్టరీ ఎట్లా చెక్ చేశారో చూపారు అంటే నార్మల్ ఆప్షన్ అది
జస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ మనం ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ట్యాబ్ బట్ ఇది రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతలేదని నేను బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో చూపించాను ఓకే సో ఇక్కడ చూసుకోవచ్చు అండ్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఇక్కడ ట్యాబ్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు
ఎడిట్ పేజ్ లో ట్యాబ్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఓకే
ట్యాబ్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు రిలేటెడ్ లిస్ట్ లో
ఓకే బ్రో
పేజ్ లేఅవుట్ లో ఇంక్లూడ్ లేదని చెప్తుంది అది ఆన్బోర్డింగ్ లేఅవుట్ లో ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తే రిలేటెడ్ లిస్ట్ onboarding tasks. ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుందా?
అవును.
సో ఫస్ట్ ఏమో మనం ఏబిసిడి నుంచి సో శివ చేంజ్ చేసాం. ఓకే, అండ్ శివ నుంచి ప్రసాద్ చేంజ్ చేసాం. సో ఇట్లా మనం ఈచ్ మనం రిక్వైర్డ్ ఉన్న ఫీల్డ్స్కి మనం ఆన్బోర్డింగ్ హిస్టరీ అనేది ఎనేబుల్ చేస్తాం సెక్యూరిటీ పర్పస్. So who changed that value also it will be shown here. Okay? Time and details, which value to which value has been changed. So it will be shown in the field trackings. Okay, clear now? Hello.
Yeah, bro, clear, bro.
Okay. So then we'll move to this one. Audit logs. Okay, audit trial logs. Okay. So it is admins use widely in the projects. Okay, audit trial means so whatever the changes that has been done for a user, so it will be shown in the audit logs. For example, see here, last 20 entries. So it is the so for only 6 months the data will be available in the, so whatever the changes has been done by a user, it will be logged in the audit logs. Okay, so it is used for the tracking purpose. Okay, so for example, see here, so for my user, the changed onboarding task page layout and the task layout, and added a button override task on the view in the lightning page. Okay, this so whatever the task has been done by any user, so it will be logged into the this setup audit trial. Okay, have you been understood? No.
Yeah.
Then we'll go to debug logs. It is widely useful when you are doing the developing activities. We'll discuss there only. Okay. So just we need to set up a developer log. So what to track the activities of a user. For example, selecting an tracking entity, we have to select the user, which user, and we'll select this user. Okay, for example, show person like that. And then we have to set up from which time to which time we have to track that user activities, and debug levels. There are some debug levels, finest and fine. Okay, for each validation rules and callouts and apex code. Okay, so we'll set up an debug log, and we'll track the whatever happening in the background and background when you do an action. So we'll discuss deeply when we are in the development training. Okay, apex training. By that, so we have completed this security and sharing. Okay, there are small topics are there. So IP restrictions and session settings and SSO and MFA. So this has been I think Akhil has been covered, I think. Otherwise I will cover it itself. So for IP ranges, so in the profile we have an option called IP ranges. IP ranges. So if you set up an IP range, starting IP address and ending IP address, so So the user can log in within these IP ranges only when we are logging into the sandbox. Okay, for the session settings also. So we can for the session settings we can set the timing, session timing and all. Yes. So for 2 users, 2 hours of inactivity of sandbox, so it will automatically log out and required login. So after the session inactivation, the login should be required. Okay. Like that settings we will set in the session settings and password policies. So how the password should be should be for an user, and how many times a wrong password passwords, how many last passwords should be remembered, and how many days the password should expire. So all this will be set up in the password policies of a profile for a user. For each profile we'll set up. This is on the profile itself. These all things you can try with your org. Okay. Mm, and so and just key things we have to remember here is, so when you are setting security for for an or an object, so we should, for an user, so we should remember the profile is a base thing. So whenever a profile got access, so we can set up on the profile permissions, we can set up everything for OWDR, record sharing, or role hierarchy. Okay, remember this one. Okay, so for this topic we will close this sharing and security. Okay, and we'll start introduction to the flows. So automation. 1 minute, please. So please practice this sharing and security. So it is important. So automation tools. So business automation tools. So for example, guys, can I start this topic or we can start tomorrow? Hello? Hello? Narsa and Meena.
Hello, bro.
Can we start tomorrow, if possible?
Okay. Okay, then start this topic. You can practice this topics. This one,
Okay.
sharing and security thoroughly. Okay.
Actually, Shiva, I have a doubt.
Okay. Okay. You can share your screen and discuss that.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah.
Actually, in the videos, there is one video, lookup filters, but when I see that lookup filter video is same like many-to-many relationship.
Yes, yes, because the lookup filters will come in the relationships itself.
But I mean, both the videos are same. I mean, there is no difference in that.
Okay, let me check and
Yeah.
okay.
it is mentioned as lookup filters, but when we go and check, I mean when we go and check the videos, this it is the same, like many to
Do you
many
have any
relations.
doubts in the lookup filters?
Actually, no, I mean there is a hierarchy relationship, right?
Okay.
So I was searching for that video, but I was unable to find over here. So I
Hierarchy.
thought,
Role hierarchy is the one, right? Role
yeah,
hierarchy
role
is the
hierarchy.
hierarchy relationship.
So I was searching for that.
Role hierarchy is the hierarchy relationship. It is on the
Okay.
user itself.
And one more thing,
Mhm.
like 1 second, let me share you my screen.
Mhm.
Can you see my screen? Actually, I have created this talent.
Mhm.
I mean, according to the PDF. So here I have given like I mean, when I'm trying to give the salary, it is going in minus. I don't know why.
Minus.
Sorry.
Can you
I
enter
think.
the question?
Oh no, it's working now. Okay,
Okay.
then fine.
Okay. Do you have any other?
No, as of now, no. Just I wanted to check with this video about the lookup
Okay.
filters.
I will re-upload that video.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
And Narsa, do you have any?
Bro, actually, as you said on Saturday, you have shared one link, no, bro.
Yes,
YouTube.
sharing and manual
You said
sharing
that
and
you discuss the criteria sharing on Monday. So.
yeah. This one only public groups and manual sharing. I have already told you, right?
Okay,
On
okay.
uh, the
Yeah, I
public
saw
group.
that video, bro. Public
Uh,
groups, how to share sales, marketing department, that
yes,
one only, right?
yes.
Okay, okay, bro. That's it.
For tomorrow's topic also, flows topic also, I will share one video. Please look at
Okay.
that. So if you have any
Mm-hmm.
doubt, so we'll discuss in the tomorrow's topic. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Okay then. Bye.
Thank you, bro.